What's up, everybody? All right, so today I go dig deep. Put up the camera a little closer to me. I go dig really deep in a relationship. Um, as a Jamaican woman, I don't know if it's just me or it can be just me that value certain things in a relationship. May value certain things in a relationship. If me cannot get respect from my partner, me nah go stay with him. If my partner disrespect me to a level where me uncomfortable the first time, every time I look upon him, it a go puzzle me. So me nah go can't stay with him. So if me and you have an argument, don't disrespect me. Alright, somebody called me yesterday and them say, them show me certain things. We are going to them relationship. No, this person when me I talk about, she work 7 days a week. She get a weekend off every other weekend, but she works 7 days a week. She works 16 hours 5 days a week and 8 hours 2 days. So she works 7 days a week. Now, her husband don't work. He don't help with the bills. He don't do nothing. He no help her do this, do a manly job. So, if anything happen in the house, it could have been even him, she no cook. In cuss her, style her, call her dog poop, drunk her, whore, this, that. The Jamaican term. Him call her all the horrible names you can ever think of. I'll lick her too. What would you do as a woman? And if it's a man watch that video here, but I like enough to drop it in the comment section as well. If you don't know, cause me pre things like this life. As a woman supposed to play them role. I don't know what is happening in our culture why we as women, some man just don't give us that respect. If me find out to me have a man where treat me a certain way, me not gonna stay with him. That is straight. You see, me will hold my man, But you see, if me say that man here as somebody will always treat me with respect and treat me good, take care of me, as how a woman should be treated. If something happen to him, me I go have him back. So for instance, him at work and he losing job and anywhere me can hold him up, me I go hold him up, me not go make him hungry. Mind you, me not go get up and take care of him 100% and say, oh, me I go buy clothes him and buy. That means say you spoil him. So him have to go look a job. And as some you look on it, get up and go look at work. Find yourself back up in a position. But if something happen to him, me I go hold him down. Me I go have him back. But what me I try to say, if you live with your partner treat you in a them derogatory way, they disgusting, and when him feel like he want to talk to you a certain way, talk down upon you, disrespect you, and all them things, what would you do? Is it just a Jamaican thing constantly? Which other culture? If it's a different culture, somebody I watch me from different country, different culture, let me know in the comment section if your partner deal with you badly, or them deal with you. Like, me only know about my culture. Me I've seen other culture, but me don't see these things happening with them. I don't see it. And I've been into this country and I've been around a lot of people and I have never seen any of them things they are going round them. Well, me not they round them 24/7, so me don't know. But the point is, what me I try to say, if a man and a woman together, why is it that them can't stick together? Why is it that them can't motivate each other? Why is it that them can't build a life together? Why does it have to be something dramatic around them? Why? Why so much of that happening in relationship? Why is that they cannot come to an understanding of each other? No, this woman now get up and pick on her husband. She now get up and she now do certain things. As me say, she wash, she cook, she clean, and him don't have her back. Him now contribute to the bills. What would you do? And then you get up with food not cook, or you just any little thing she ask you, you just snap on her and you start talk to her a certain way, all in front of people and them something there. No, why you would I do with somebody like that? Like, me just want to know if you tell me in the comment section, what would you do with a husband like that? Let me know. But you can't put certain comment in the comment section because me not want YouTube to flop my video. So me would have like enough to do it in the best way possible. What would you do with a husband like that? If them get up every day, disrespect you. Not every day, but the week not done. You've been with this person for so many years. And out of this, can you say you've been with this person for maybe 5 or 7 years. And out of the 5 or 7 years, you don't pay the rent. Not even for 6 months. Maybe not even 3 months. Much more 6 months. I'm telling you, not even 6 months. Out of the, say for instance, 7 years that you're together. You don't pay the rent for that. You don't come in and say, see money here, make up buy grocery, this, that. None of that. Not happen. What would you do with somebody like that? Like, for me, the first time you disrespect me, bye. Be gone. Me love myself, you know. Me have self-love. And me not sit down and make nobody treat me certain way. Me too equipped for that. First of all, me can work. Me can take care of myself. Me can do my own thing. The only thing, me can maybe pleasure myself in another way there. But at the fact of the matter is, me reach a point in my life now, me a big man. I can't live without that. I swear. Because we've been there. So, what is sense if me I go take up somebody in my life and have somebody in my life live with and them treat me like that? What would you do? What would you do? No, this person call me and tell me. And me I talk about it. Because it's not like me I go call somebody name and I'm not going to know who. It could be anybody in the world. I know so many people. I know so much people. But I tell her I go voice my opinion and me would like my people them to tell me what them think. Me too self-love. Me too in love with myself. For make people treat me less than what me worth. Maybe that's the case. Me love myself. And it's hard for you me watch you treat me a certain way. And me just not do nothing. And me just it's hard for me me don't know the full situation and why she would have put up with certain things. But it can't be loving the person where deal with you a certain way. It can be other things, but for me as a woman, it no matter what it is, me I go. Me cannot allow you. Alright, fine. If me give you one chance, me not give you two. Because everybody deserves a second chance. But if you call me them name, every time I looking at your face, I go see the names them. It go hard for me to be comfort and cuddle up and loving up with you, knowing that you belittle me in that way. You put me down to the dirt. It's hard. Like me cannot find myself doing that. So me want to know, when is it going to stop? How long you have to put up with these things? Why is it that you have to do it? Why is it that you feel like you're obligated to do it? Is it because you're married? Because God don't like ugly. And if you get up and you treat me a certain way, I don't understand why me should have sit down with it. Why me don't leave? Why me don't pack my bag and leave? It's just not right. Why is it in our culture that our women are not treated like a queen? Why is it that men have to belittle us? Why is it that they don't lift we in a what we are doing? Why some of them, not all of them, why some of them have to do these things to us? I mean, yes, man say woman no respect themselves because some, but when you find the ones them that respect themselves, who did it and have your back, why is it that you don't treat them like a queen? Me just want to know. Like, if a man watch this video, me want to know, why is it that you wouldn't treat your partner like a queen? And if you see say your partner miserable, why is it that you don't try to give that person comfort, ask them what is their problem, you know, like in a soft tone, like, baby, what happened to you? What is your problem? Like, get to understand what is frustrating a woman. And that is not the case with this one. It's not like this person is getting up and being miserable and agitated. The person is a fun person. But because he have an anger issue, I believe, that's what I believe. But it doesn't matter how much. People must have self-control and know how to manage them anger. Like, you have to know when you have to be frustrated. Like, life is short and people don't want to live like that. I mean, some people just miserable. And you can do things to help them. But when you're coming on to disrespecting somebody, bringing down them character, you don't help them do anything. You don't help them with the bills. You don't help them do certain things. What do you do? What do you put to the table? Why is it that I should be living in a misery all the time and have to be edgy and afraid of what is next, what is going to come? Why is it that I must live life like that? I don't want to live like that. I don't want to live like that. But guys, I definitely want to know your feedback on it. If you would have sit down with a man who belittle you all the time, every time, like, they have a discussion, and it happened, there's not a week that pass that 2 weeks not going, where is peace? It just snap like this. What would you do as a person? What would you do as a wife, whether a man or woman? If a woman treat a man that way, what would you do as a man? Because I'm not going to say man no go up on things, because you have some man where really tender and soft, and you have the woman will be the one who treat them a certain way. No, it's a 50-50 for me. You respect me, me respect you. When me meet my husband, me tell him, say, me before me even sleep with him, me ask him for make me a promise. Don't disrespect me. Don't disrespect my children them. No matter what me you have, don't call me no name. No. Growing up, all time people say teeth and tongue must meet. Do you know what that means? There's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be a time when you have disagreement. But you don't have to go to character. You don't have to disrespect your partner to that level. You don't have to belittle them in that way. We're calling them all these names. These disgusting names. You don't have to go there. So what is it that you should do? Alright, you and the person have something and your guys are not agree and you fire up in an argument. I tell my husband, I don't care. Do what you want to do. I don't care. I said stuff like that when I'm upset. But do you have to call me bitch? Do you have to call me shit? Do you have to call me piss? Do you have to call me whore? Why would you say stuff like that to your partner when you're angry? That when you say what you said when you're angry is obviously something that is inside of you when you're not angry. Because no matter how me angry, me not stooping to that level. I will cuss a bad word like maybe effing or, be clad, because that is Jamaican. But I can remember my and my husband blow 2 times in how many years I know him. Maybe like, I know my husband, 17 years? 17, 18 years now, almost. From 2000, I know him from 2004. That's a long time. Yeah, 17 years. No, 19 years now, I know him. 19 years. But we weren't together. We weren't together until 2006. We never start dating until 2006. So the fact of the matter is, what I am saying, respect due to your partner. Treat them with dignity and respect. And people can live and live happy. Like, you have to just understand each other. Don't try, if you know, say you step on your partner can a certain way and it hurt them. Don't step on it another day. You know what? Get to understand each other. Like, people don't take time out to get to know who they are with. And sometimes that can be a problem when you're rushing to a relationship. Make your partner be your best friend first. So build on that. You know, I've been there, done that. Me now go back in going at them situation. When me never have no partner where call me some disgusting name. One time, and because we did break up, why I think him flip and say something, but them time them not go back to him, so that's okay. Him say what he want to say. He can't say what he want to say at that point, because I don't care. The fact of the matter is, I never have somebody in my present when me sleep with who disrespect me to that ground. I am not going to second feet, because we have to have an understanding of who we is and what we want and what we don't want. We have to get to that understanding before, get involved. We need to get to that understanding, especially when you're grown. When you're young, when you're grown, is a two different thing, because you're naive when you're young. But when you've been in a certain situation, you know what you want out of life. I am not settling for those things. I'm sorry. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. And I'm going to start adding up my channel. So now stay tuned, because more things coming. Love you know. Be blessed. Stay safe. Peace. I'm out.